Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to bring your most stunning images to life with vibrant colors and precise details, all from the comfort of your own space. Sounds amazing, right? Well, with the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-300 wireless color wide format printer, that's exactly what you can do. This powerful printer is designed to take your photography to the next level, and I'm excited to share all its incredible features with you. First off, let's talk about the level of creative control this printer offers. With the imagePROGRAF PRO-300, you have the power to bring your images to life like never before. Whether you're a professional photographer or an avid hobbyist, this printer allows you to produce stunning photos and fine art prints that will leave everyone in awe. The 9-Color Plus Chroma Optimizer ink system is designed to meet the demands of every photographer, from advanced amateurs to professionals, ensuring that your images are printed with the highest level of quality and precision. Plus, with the ability to print up to 13 inches by 19 inches, you can create large, impactful prints that are sure to impress. Another key feature of the PRO-300 is its ease of use. Canon has really outdone themselves with the nozzle recovery system and skew correction, which work together to ensure ultimate productivity and minimal downtime. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing images, without worrying about the technical aspects of printing. The nozzle recovery system automatically detects and recovers clogged nozzles, while the skew correction feature ensures that your prints are always properly aligned. This not only saves you time, but also reduces waste and frustration, making the entire printing process a whole lot smoother. The PRO-300 also offers professional image quality, productivity, and outstanding workflow, all in a compact footprint. This means you can consistently deliver the results your images deserve, without needing a huge amount of space. The printer's compact design makes it perfect for home offices, studios, or even small businesses, where space is limited. Plus, with the 3.0-inch color LCD monitor, you can easily check ink levels, printer status, and other settings, making it easy to stay on top of your printing tasks. This monitor is not just a convenient feature, but also a powerful tool that helps you optimize your printing workflow and ensure that your prints turn out exactly as you envision them. In terms of workflow, the PRO-300 is designed to streamline your printing process and make it more efficient. With its professional print and layout software, you can easily create and print complex layouts, including brochures, posters, and more. The software is intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to printing. Plus, with the ability to print from mobile devices, you can send your images to the printer from anywhere, making it easy to work on the go. Whether you're a photographer, artist, or graphic designer, the PRO-300's workflow features will help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-300 wireless color wide format printer is an incredible tool for anyone looking to take their photography to the next level. With its powerful features, ease of use, and compact design, it's the perfect addition to any home office, studio, or small business. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the PRO-300 today and start bringing your images to life like never before. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. With the PRO-300, you'll be able to create stunning prints that will inspire and motivate you to keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity. So don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your photography and take your passion to new heights. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make your mark with the Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-300.